Kamusta? Heto ang medal tally ng 19th Asian Games Hangzhou 2022 as of October 6, 2023, 10 PM. Matapos masungkit ng Gilas Pilipinas ang gintong medalya ng 19th Asian Games Men's Basketball. China 187 gold, 104 silver, 63 bronze. Japan 47 gold, 57 silver, 65 bronze. South Korea 36 gold, 49 silver, 84 bronze. India 22 gold, 34 silver, 39 bronze. Uzbekistan 20 gold, 18 silver, 26 bronze. Chinese Taipei 17 gold, 16 silver, 25 bronze. North Korea 11 gold, 18 silver, 10 bronze. Thailand 10 gold, 14 silver, 30 bronze. Bahrain 10 gold, 3 silver, 5 bronze. Kazakhstan 9 gold, 18 silver, 41 bronze. Iran 9 gold, 18 silver, 18 bronze. Hong Kong 8 gold, 16 silver, 29 bronze. Indonesia 7 gold, 11 silver, 18 bronze. Malaysia 5 gold, 7 silver, 18 bronze. Qatar 5 gold, 6 silver, 3 bronze. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Philippines 4 gold, 2 silver, 12 bronze. Kyrgyzstan 4 gold, 2 silver, 7 bronze. Saudi Arabia 4 gold, 2 silver, 3 bronze. Singapore 3 gold, 6 silver, 6 bronze. United Arab Emirates 3 gold, 5 silver, 8 bronze. Vietnam 3 gold, 4 silver, 17 bronze. Mongolia 2 gold, 4 silver, 12 bronze. Kuwait 2 gold, 4 silver, 3 bronze. Tajikistan 2 gold, 1 silver, 4 bronze. Macau, China 1 gold, 2 silver, 2 bronze. Sri Lanka 1 gold, 2 silver, 2 bronze. Myanmar 1 gold, 0 silver, 2 bronze. Jordan 0 gold, 4 silver, 2 bronze. Turkmenistan 0 gold, 1 silver, 4 bronze. Pakistan 0 gold, 1 silver, 2 bronze. Brunei 0 gold, 1 silver, 1 bronze. Oman 0 gold, 1 silver, 1 bronze. Afghanistan 0 gold, 0 silver, 4 bronze. Laos 0 gold, 0 silver, 3 bronze. Iraq 0 gold, 0 silver, 2 bronze. Bangladesh 0 gold, 0 silver, 1 bronze. Cambodia 0 gold, 0 silver, 1 bronze. Lebanon 0 gold, 0 silver, 1 bronze. Nepal 0 gold, 0 silver, 1 bronze. Palestine 0 gold, 0 silver, 1 bronze. Syria 0 gold, 0 silver, 1 bronze. Narito ang ibang team participants ng 19th Asian Games Hangzhou 2022: Bhutan, East Timor, Maldives at Yemen. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.